Hi students, welcome again to Unit 1 last problems. 19 and 20 we completed and we are going to do problem number 22 and 23 which are accommodation of bills. So we will remind what is accommodation. Accommodation is a generation of money without any reason. Usually bill is drawn on the basis of sales. Goods were sold and money amount will be postponed by the buyer. For the payment, later payment, a bill was drawn by the seller on the buyer and buyer will accept for a particular duration. After that duration is over, then the buyer will pay the money. So a reason for drawing the bill here it is sale of goods. And sometimes bill is drawn for the old due also. To get the assurance of payment of old due, bill also will be drawn. But in the case of accommodation of bill, there is no reason to draw a bill just for creation of money. How money is created? A draw the bill on B and B accepts the bill. A will approach the bank to get the money before the due date and some amount is shared with B. At the end of the day, bill duration becomes end. On the day, then A will send the money to B, B will pay to bank. So for the 3 months, 4 months or 2 months, money was generated for rotation purpose. So this is called accommodation of the bills. So this accommodation journal entry procedure are recording accounting transactions. We already known about problem number 19 and 20. So for better understanding, 22 and 23 also we discuss. So problem number 22. Is also right. 22 problem number. Or for the mutual accommodation of himself and M draws upon the latter a 3 months bill for 800 dated on 1st January. So date is January 1st, maybe 2019 or whatever it may be. Or draw the bill on M, bills receivable account data to M account. Amount is 800. And M accepted. So R account data to bills payable account. Amount is 800. So a bill was drawn without any reason for 3 months. 2019. January 1st. Right. So R for the mutual accommodation himself and M draw upon the later a bill for 3 months for 800 1st January. The bill is discounted by R at 5% and how the proceeds are remitted to M. First we will discount the bill. Bank account data, discount account data, to bills receivable account, 800. We'll calculate discount, 800 into 0.05 into 3 months bill, 3 by 12. Discount amount is 10 rupees. 790 is bank amount or cash amount they receive. Right. So the bill is discounted by R at 5% and how the proceeds are limited to M. So now we will send the half of the proceeds to M. M account data to discount account to cash account. Bank or cash, same. So M amount we are sending, half amount means 400. Discount is 5 rupees. Cash amount is 395. Half of the send to M. Same will be received. Cash account data. Discount account data. To R account. Half of the proceeds received. Okay. So cash received is 395. Discount is 5. The amount is 400. Right. So paragraph 1, according to the paragraph 1, we completed. What is paragraph 1 is telling? Or draw the bill for 3 months on M, bills receivable to M account. The bill was discounted by R, bank account data, discount account data to bills receivable account. And half of the proceeds are limited to M. Half of the proceeds we send to M. Right. Next. There is no specific date regarding that. Okay. Just to insert some cells. Next, what happens? M at the same time draw a bill at 3 months on R for 400. After securing R's acceptance, the bill is discounted at 6% by M, who remits the half of the proceeds to R. Now, earlier R draw the bill on M. Now M is drawing the bill on R for 300. So now we will Bills receivable account data to bills receivable account data to R account. Amount is 400. Narration is B by R receipt. Now bill is accepted by R. The entry is M account data to bills payable account. Entries are same, roles are different. So M account data, R account data to bills payable account. Here it is M. B by P accepted. Okay, now the bill is discounted by M. Bank account data, discount account data. Bill amount is 400. Discount is, we'll calculate discount 400 into 6% into how many months bill? M at the same time dry bill for 3 months on R. Okay. Three by 12. 6 rupees. 394. No entry. For him there is. So how the proceeds were remitted to R. How the proceeds are remitted to R. After securing R's acceptance, the bill is counted by 6% and who remits half of the proceeds to R. Same we will take the of the proceeds in the sense account data. So R account data to discount 3 rupees 297 200. Same received by R. Cash amount received is 297. Discount is 3 rupees. It is 197. 200. Bill amount is 400. Remitted half of the amount. Okay, right? We completed second part. R drawn on M for 800. Discounted the bill. Shared 400. And M draw the bill. M draw the bill on R for 400. Discounted the bill. So with discount is 6 rupees. And half of the amount is shared with the R, which is received. Okay, paid to R, received from M. 200. So total bills amount are 1200. Due for each other is 600, 600. Okay, we will see the problem what happened. Right. M becomes bankrupt on 31st March and 25 paise in rupee is received on 15th May, first and final dividend from his estate. So now we have to complete some formalities. So two bills are there. One bill is accepted bill, another one is a written bill. R write a bill on M and he discounted with the bank. Now the bank people will ask, bank people first ask M. M told that I don't have money. So he has to pay money of 800 on behalf of M. First bill we will pay. That is M account data. M account data to bank account. $800. So B by R is honored. And amount paid to bank on behalf of M. So 800 bill is dishonored. Bills payable account data. To our account. Amount is 800. PYP dishonored. Okay, so bill 1 we settled. Bill 2. So the bill which was drawn by M for 400 rupees was reached to R for payment. So R is a sound party. R will pay the money to bank. Bills payable account data. to bank account. Amount is 400. B by R, B by P, drawn by M on R into bank. Right. Okay, no entry here it is because already bill is discounted. Now total amount is due from M is 600 rupees. How much amount? 600. Out of 600 you can recover how much amount? 25% of dividend. Look at the problem. M become bankrupt on 31st March. 25 paise in rupee is received on 15th May as first and final dividend from his estate. Okay, that's all. What we can do? How much we can recover? That only we can recover. So out of 600, cash received is 25%. Cash account data. Remaining were treated as bad debts. Account data. To M account. So we have to receive 600 from M. 25% of 600 is 150. Remaining 450 is bad debts, which we are unable to recover. So we will record 25% of due 600 recovered and balance is bad debts. So there is a due amount still showing in the accounts of M or account data. To cash account. To deficiency account. Due to R is 600, we can pay 150. Remaining unpaid amount still shows in the records of M is 450. So we have to record our account is settled with the 20 with payment of 25%. Of 25%. Cash. Okay. So that is accommodation. In this problem, we learned R draw bill on M for 800. He discounted the bill and R shared 50% of amount with M. So out of 800, he sent 400 to R, M. And next immediately M draw bill of 400 on R. He discounted the bill. He shared 50% amount, 200. So total bills amount is 800 plus 400, 1200 mutually accepted. Out of 1200, each shared 50%, 50%. Both were due to each is 600. So M became to pay on the due dates. He has to pay one bill and he has to send 50% of amount to R. So he unable to pay the amount of the bills on the due date. That's why R has to pay bill 800 bill to the 800 bill amount to bank, and 400 bill he has to honor because he accepted. So total due from M is 600. So he forced to pay that 600. He told that I will pay only 25% of amount. That is 150. So balance will be treated as bad debts. That is accommodation of bills. Okay, students. Okay, you see that once again. Next problem we will have in separate video. Look at that. Reading the problem once again. I am reading the problem. R, the mutual accommodation of himself with M, R and M, draw upon the later. Later means on M, a bill for 3 months for 800. So first bill drawn is 800 and accepted is 800. And the bill is discounted by R 5%. So the bill is discounted by R for 5%. We calculated discount. You can see the calculation part. 800 into 5% into 3 by 12. 10 rupees, 790. So R received 790 cash and shortage amount is 10 rupees. That is discount. So he remitted the 50% of the bill and half the proceeds are remitted to M. Bill amount is 800, half amount is 400 shared with M. M accounted to discount to cash. 800 half amount 400, discount to 10 rupees, half amount is 5, 790 cash is 390. In same manner received by M from R. Second paragraph is telling that M at the same time draw a bill for 3 months on R for 400. So again 400. After securing R's acceptance, the bill is discounted at 6% by M, who remits the half of the proceeds to R. How R did for M for 800 bill, same M is doing for R for 400 bill. Observe that. So 400 bill received from R, discounted the bill, and 50% of the bill amount sent. Now M is become bankrupt. So 800 bill is accepted by M, he is dishonoring the bill, and there is a responsibility of payment of the bill is on M, on R, on behalf of M, he is paying to bank 800. Then one more bill is accepted by R, 400 bill, he himself accepted. Then the due date came, he is a sound party compared to M, he paid that 400 also. So total amount paid by R is 1200. So out of 1200, there is a due from M is 600. So he asked M to clear the dues. M told that I can pay only 25% of amount. That amount is 150. Balance is treated as 450. That is bad debts. This is received entry. This is paid entry. Still 450 is showing deficiency or due in the accounts of M. Okay, students, you got, I think. Then in same manner, you can take an example from the internet or whatever it may be. So you can frame a problem and draw the journal entries also. You can do that one, okay? So our problem is problem number 22. 22 we completed 22, and next video we will see the 23 problem. Same accommodation only. Accommodation in the sense generating the money without any reason. reason. Okay, students, don't forget to note down the problem. Okay, so I will share this Excel file for your reference. So everybody, you have to maintain the notebook for the first unit. Compulsory, you have to note down all problems with different methods. Each method I shared through videos, explained through videos. When you are unable to understand, just go back and pause it and note down again, listen. Okay, bye.